Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Today I'm going to talk about the art trailer, the trailer of our upcoming June 2020 issue. What does it contain? How it can help you as an art lover, as an artist in building up your own art career, or how it can boost you in building your own social media platform like Instagram and your own art business and everything about that. So I will going to talk about what my magazine contains and how it can provide you value in the form of the magazine. So let's get started with it. So beginning with the first one, guys, in this we have the three different formats. Like in the first issue we have only one format, that was the ebook format, that was a PDF format. But here in the second issue we are giving you the three formats for you people. First one is the ebook, that's a PDF version of the file, flip book form. The second version is the paperback for those who love reading the books, those who love reading the magazines in the form of the paperback. The third issue is in the form of audiobook for those who love listening to the music, to the podcast, to the audiobooks, keeping their headphones and listening to audiobooks all around where they are going. And for those people, we have an audiobook format as well. So my magazine will going to contain the three different formats in the second issue. And that's the main surprise, the main amazing surprise for this upcoming June 2020 issue. The another one, guys, is the big thing. I'm gonna talk about the content of this video, the content of the magazine. What does it contain? And I'll give you a little bit of the short form of the format. What does it really exactly contain in this video tutorial, so that you will be able to decide whether this magazine is for you or not. So this magazine is for the struggling and aspiring artists, for all the art lovers out there who want to learn art or who want to who are on their starting with their own art career, want to start it with the art business, want to know how to grow their Instagram followers, art Instagram page, want to inspire themselves, want to learn the art tutorials and many different types of things. So it's for all the art lovers and all the struggling, emerging or the beginner artists out there. So let's get started with the content of the video. I'm gonna just give you a short review, like a short thing, and you will gonna see on the screen what does it really contains, and maybe we can help you as well. So guys, we are here on our mobile, and I'm sharing my screen to tell you exactly what our magazine contains. This is the ebook format, this is the PDF format of our magazine, and you can see the very first page here is the cover, magazine cover, then the copyright issue, then the contributor section, then the content. That's the main assets of any magazine. So let me tell you, what does it contain. It contains the CEO message, then the interview with the Branson Grant. He's an amazing artist who gets started with his own book, and he will going to share with you how he gets started with his own book. And if you're interested in starting with your own magazine or your own comic or your own book, then this interview will really be going to inspire you and help you in making that book successful. And then we have an interview with Joseph. He is an artist who is a Nigerian artist who lives in Nigeria, but he gonna move to US for his own art career. So if anybody wants to move to other country to get started with their own art career for their successful art business, then this interview is exactly for those people, because this will really going to help you get started with your own immigration process and how to keep yourself motivated and inspired when having a lot of hurdles and struggles along the road. Then we have the Instagram story secrets, guys. These are the secrets, these are the deep inside secrets that have really taken it a short notes in a form of along with the screenshots telling you people that how exactly our Instagram page grew from few hundred followers to in just 6 months to almost 19,000 plus followers. And we did it all organically, without buying any bots, without buying any ads, or without buying any likes or followers or anything like that. It's highly engaged followers and it's all organic. So I'll going to share my deep secrets, my deep insights that really help me in growing my art magazine Instagram page. So this section contains all that deep secrets. Then we have the Gumroad reviews. Guys, Gumroad is a website where you can get started with your own art business, and we are starting with a kind of a series in our magazine talking about each and every platform out there, online platforms that help you in selling your own artworks, getting started with your own art business. So we will going to review each and every website out there in each and every issues, and we're going to tell you, is it really a good platform for you for your art business or not. And we will be going to share our true reviews, not false reviews, and we are not sponsored to talk about it, but we are doing it for you people, to helping you in your art business. Cause I know that many of the people have asked me which platform should I choose to buy to sell my art, or which platform is best, and where I would be getting my sales and anything like that. So I thought of starting with the series type of, like, covering each and every websites in every issue, so that you will people get the right tools, right insights, and right thing, that is it really for you or not. Then we have a guest interview, guest article, like Jeff Seinbach, who submitted his article for our magazine and who is featured in our magazine for his own article. That's the art history topic. He's talking about the various different types of artists, about their insights and about their views on the art and about the art culture, what type of art they were interested in, and talking about a little bit about the deep history topic view for those who are the art lovers who want to know about the art history. Then we have the importance of motivation by the article by the Nival Jor. He's like one of the co-founder of this magazine, and he's an art curator, illustrator, and writer in our magazine, and he writes for our magazine, and he's also co-founder. So he gonna inspire you with a motivating article. He is writing the article in two different languages. One is the importance of motivation in English, and another one, importância da motivação. Sorry, excuse my Portuguese if I am saying it wrong, but another one is a Portuguese article written by him only. So he's writing article in two different languages, and it's in the same article, it's two in different languages for the people who are Portuguese lover who don't understand English. For those people, he's writing the English, and he will going to motivate you by his motivating words, by his own experience of being as a graphic designer for the past like more than 10 years. He will be going to share his views and his story and everything about his experiences by these articles. Then we have fun corner, guys. I know, like, this is a fun corner like usually kids love, but I think, like, we as a human being also needs fun in our life, because we get so much focused on our building our own career, building our own relationship or families and anything on like that, we forget to smile, we forget to enjoy. So to not to over stress you, we have a fun corner for you in this magazine that's really going to help you in your enjoying your art career and building it successfully. Then we have the 30 days motivation challenge. It's a challenge for you people, for who want a challenge, who wants to challenge to get started on their art, who needs some theme on each and every day to make their art or to build their art, and they need help with that. So we have a 30-day motivation challenge, and all those who participate in 30 days motivation challenge and tag us on Instagram, we will going to give them a feature on our page and on our story as well. So this is a kind of like promotion type of stuff, but we do that because we love to support people, we love to support artists who really want to do in their art business or really want to get started with their art. So we do a big favor for them. Then we have the art feature. In like this upcoming issue, we have featured 25 amazing artists, guys. In the first issue, we have featured almost 17 artists, but then we have increased our threshold and give it to like more to 25 artists, because we almost received 200 art submissions for the second issue, and so we thought of giving them an opportunity to select more artists, and many of them really have submitted such an amazing artist statement that really motivates me to feature them anyhow. So guys, like, if you didn't get featured in the art magazine, don't feel discouraged or demotivated, because we are bringing up something else for you guys as well, that we have another surprise coming you on its way, another type of art catalog with which we're going to feature only art and only artists who didn't get feature in our own main magazine will going to feature in that art catalog, and it's a sister magazine to this magazine. So don't be discouraged if you didn't get featured or if you didn't get selected for this magazine, because you have many different options. You have an option to be featured in art catalog. So don't get discouraged. And then guys, we also have an art relaxation section where you want to color any art, then you can color that picture we have, and then the art tutorial of how to make the eye as well. So beginning of the first section that we have the CEO message, and like she's talking about his own art journey, and like I am talking about my own art journey and how was the main goal behind making this magazine and everything. Then this is the interview by the Branson Grant. It's like quite motivating interview, like I really love that. And this is all the designing of the magazine, asking him the questions and his own artworks. And guys, wait a minute, let me show you one thing more. Yeah, this is his like own book. And if you're really interested, like if you really like his work and all that, please do him, support him, and go on Amazon and buy his own book. And we've also included his Instagram magazine page in the magazine itself, so that you can support this amazing artist and you can buy his book, and you can just click on the link in his bio and buy his book at Amazon. And he's an amazing writer and an amazing artist as well, and you can follow him out the @GrantBranson50. So this was the first interview. Then the second interview with the Joseph, and yeah, his artwork is a type of realistic portrait artworks, and we interviewed him. Then we have the Instagram story secrets, talking about our deep secrets and deep stories and sharing our deep insights. And this is the screenshots of our story, what type of story feature we use and how it get featured and everything about that. And then we have the Gumroad reviews, like is it right, is it exactly for you or not, is Gumroad is a right option for you or not. This will going to help you in deciding that. Talking about the Gumroads, and this is the screenshot of the first sale that we made of our magazine within few hours of of launching it. This is at the first sale of our first issue, so we have just put the screenshot of that so that we can give you a little bit insight of what exactly how the Gumroad works and all that. So this is our this is a screenshot of the listing on the Gumroad of our magazine. And yeah, then we have the art history topic by the Jeff Sandberg, and you can see this is the art history topic. He's written everything about the art that he knows very well, and he's a great writer as well, so he's written very beautifully about the art history topic, describing about the Nesmith, Ted Nesmith, about his work and what he thinks about the art and everything related to that. So we have that amazing thing over here. And let's gonna scroll down a little bit. And then we have the importance of motivation. This is an interview, this is a blog article written by Nival Jor. He has written about his own personal views, how he think about it and everything about it. Then we have the fun corner for you. This is a puzzle, and this is the famous puzzles like paintings you need to find into that puzzle. Then we have the jumble words, art relaxation session, then how to draw the eye tutorial, then the 30-day motivation challenge. So these are the challenges that you can perform as well. Then we have the Portuguese article written by Nival Jor, again in Portuguese for all those who understand Portuguese. Then we have the art features. We are featuring 5 artists and the different artist features, different artist statement as well. So guys, this is a little bit of the short what our magazine contains and how it can help you in your own art career. So guys, that was a short trailer of me talking about the magazine and describing it, how it can help you build your own successful art career, giving you the secrets and deep insights of what does magazine contain. That was the ebook version. We have the paperback option as well. Then we have the audiobook option as well. And for the audiobook guys, one thing I want to tell you that we have all the articles in the audiobook form, and then for looking at the art and art features, then we are also giving, along with the audiobook, we are giving you the flip book. That's the ebook version of the magazine, so that you can you can hear the articles and everything, but you want to watch the different art features, so you can get the look in that flip book itself. So we have both the version for you. So we are releasing it in 3 different formats. So guys, this is a full bonus package for you guys, and give your art career a big boost. Give your Instagram, buy our Instagram story secrets, increase your Instagram followers, get highly engaged followers, and give it a 10x boost. So guys, if you're really interested in buying this magazine, then we have a link in the description box below. You can click on the link and buy our magazine. Now it's in 3 different formats, and get the full bonus package for you guys. It's really helpful. Like, I have shown you all, each and everything about the magazine, what does it contain and how it can help you. So please guys, do a big favor, do a support, and there's a link in the description box below. Click on the link and buy our magazine now. And see you guys for the next time guys. Take care, and if you really enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and see you for the next time guys. Take care, bye.